Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Herleen Dindona, an ICCRC approved consultant. My company's name is Next World Canada Immigration Consulting Inc. and we are located in Ontario, Canada. Today we will be discussing a very important topic which is related to international students, temporary foreign workers, permanent residents as well as Canadian citizens. Today's topic is social insurance number. Before we start, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I regularly post videos on YouTube about Canadian immigration news and updates. Please make sure to press the bell icon as well to get a notification about all the latest updates. So let's start with what is social insurance number or SIN. The social insurance number, or better known as SIN, is 9-digit number that you need to work in Canada or to have access to government programs and benefits. A SIN is issued to one person only and it cannot legally be used by anyone else. You are responsible for protecting your SIN. There is no fee to apply for a SIN. SINs that begin with a 9 are issued to temporary workers who are neither Canadian citizens nor permanent residents. The use of these SINs is temporary and are valid only until the expiry date indicated on the immigration document authorizing them to work in Canada. If your SIN begins with a 9, you must update your SIN record to ensure that the expiry date always corresponds with the expiry date on your document from Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada authorizing you to work in Canada. Once your SIN record has been updated, you will receive a SIN with the new expiry date. Now let's understand who is eligible for SIN. Any Canadian citizen, a permanent resident or a temporary resident such as international students or temporary foreign workers need a social insurance number or SIN to work in Canada or to receive benefits and services from government programs. Children who are 12 years of age or older may apply for their own SIN. Parents and individuals who are legally authorized to act on behalf of the applicant, for example, a legal guardian or legal representative, can also apply for a SIN for children under the age of majority in their province and adults in their care. So next, let's talk about the list of documents that you are required to apply for SIN. If you are applying for yourself, you would need these documents. You would need an original valid primary document and an original valid secondary document. This is only applicable if you have reached the age of majority in your province or territory of residence, and an original valid supporting document. This is only applicable if the name on your primary document is different from the one on your secondary document or from the one you wish to register in the Social Insurance Register. Now let's understand what are the primary, secondary and supporting documents. So let's talk about primary document. If you are a Canadian citizen, you can provide either your birth certificate issued by the Vital Statistics Agency in the province or territory of birth or certificate of Canadian citizenship issued by Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada or Citizenship and Immigration Canada. If you are a permanent resident for a primary document, you can provide one of the following documents. You can provide either permanent resident card issued by IRCC or CIC or confirmation of permanent residence, better known as COPR, issued by IRCC, accompanied by a travel document. For example, a foreign passport or an alternate photo identification issued by a provincial or territorial authority. For example, a driver's license. Please note that if the COPR is issued within 1 year of becoming a permanent resident, it is acceptable. After this period, the permanent resident card is required. You may also use your record of landing issued by CIC before June 28, 2002. If you are a temporary resident for a primary document, you can provide either work permit issued by IRCC or CIC or a study permit issued by IRCC or CIC, which indicates the permit holder may accept employment or may work in Canada and is supported by a confirmation to work off campus letter issued by IRCC or CIC prior to February 11, 2015. If you are a visitor, you may provide a visitor record issued by IRCC or CIC indicating you are authorized to work in Canada. Now coming to secondary document. A secondary document is an official document that confirms your identity. The secondary document must be valid. It must be a document issued by a Canadian government or it can be a foreign passport. Your legal name and date of birth must appear on the document. The last type of document is supporting document. A supporting document is a legal document stating the name you currently use. It is required if the name on your primary document is different from the one you are currently using or different from the name on your secondary document. You can provide either certificate of marriage or certificate of divorce or legal change of name certificate or court order document issued in accordance with provincial or territorial name change legislation or adoption orders certified by a Canadian court or notary adoption certificate issued by the country of origin of a child adopted abroad and used by the adopted parents to have the SIN issued in the adopted child's Canadian name. If you want to know more about SIN or any other program for Canada, you can email me at the email address shown on your screen and our office will be more than happy to assist you. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates about Canadian immigration. I will very soon post new videos about Canadian immigration. Till then, goodbye and take good care of yourself. Thank you.